Speaking, reading, writing, and listening are the four basic skills that one need in any of the language, so that you can communicate, you can understand, you can write that language in a better way. This is the same case with English as well. So here it is. We are delivering our online course, English grammar and speaking. The course duration is 2 months, that you can see it, and this course is done via Zoom app, and the class time is mostly 9 p.m. to 10 p.m., but this is adjustable, that we can discuss with the class, and we can make according to the majority of the class suggestions. Class duration is 80 minutes, that is 1 hour and 20 minutes, and in this course we are basically discussing or polishing the following skills of the students, that is speaking, which is very important in today's world, to be honest, that if you are a good speaker in English, you have better opportunities that you can grab. Reading is also a very important skill that one must have, that you must have a good reading skill in the modern language, and also the writing. Mostly students have to write in their exams and the different prospects for their interviews and their different tests and their different competitive exams, and also the listening is also very important. So these are the four basic skills that we are actually polishing in our course for the students, but there are some more details as well. We are discussing the parts of speech, that is noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, and all the other parts of speech in details. Also the tenses that we are focusing on in details. We are also discussing the phrase and the clause differences and their types as well. Sentence and its types, that you can see it, the sentence can be divided on the base of a function and on the basis of a structure as well. So we are also going to discuss in this course subject verb agreement, which is very important. Without this agreement you cannot make the sentences, okay? And also we are discussing about the correction of errors in the grammar. We are also focusing ourselves on the active and passive voice, direct and indirect speech, participle and the gerunds, article reading, vocab building, that is vocabulary basically, and speaking sessions in everyday class. We are actually offering 10 to 15 words every day for the students, that they have to make the sentences on it. They have to use that words in their own sentences in the next class. They are being checked in the next class, okay? And much more that we are offering in this course. So dear students, if you want to get it registered, this is the process. For the registration, if you want to get enrolled in this course, fill the following form: your name, that is a student name, student's father name, your age, your qualification, your residence area where you belong to, your WhatsApp number. And after fulfilling this form, you have to send this form on the WhatsApp number 03127037 and all the other details that if you want to ask, you can discuss it there, okay? So this is a course that we have designed. We have also discussing its batch number 3. We have a very good class that you can grab. If you grab this opportunity, your English skills, your reading, writing, listening and speaking skills will be improved. So you can contact to me by following or by registering this form, and this by sending this form to this WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.